More political reactions. It's Omar Abdullah now, and Omar Abdullah has slammed BJP for declaring victory for all the claims that are being made by the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders. Omar says, let the BJP hold off declaring win. Let's listen into that comment.
रायना साहब को मैं जरा याद दिलाऊं कि जम्मू की सीट पे अभी तो पोलिंग हुई भी नहीं है। हम ये भी नहीं जानते कि कितने वोट पड़ेंगे वहाँ पे। पहले वोट पड़ने दीजिए, उसके बाद बीजेपी जो है वो जीत का जो है ऐलान करे। फिलहाल तो हमें उनकी उधमपुर की सीट जो है वो खतरे में नजर आती है, और उसके साथ साथ बीजेपी ने दावे तो बहुत किए हैं कश्मीर में, मैदान क्यों छोड़ा? आखिरकार क्या मजबूरी बनी? रविंद्र रैना साहब जो तैयारी कर रहे थे ये साउथ कश्मीर की सीट से जो है इलेक्शन लड़ने की, क्यों नहीं उतरे मैदान में?
All right, so you heard those reactions coming in, all sides in fact claiming victory, all sides exuding confidence. Sabyasachi continues to be with us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, Omar Abdullah says Udhampur ki seat abhi khatre mein nazar aa rahi hai. Now, one phase is over, but 6 more phases are left, and ahead of that, such statements coming in, all sides claiming victory.
Well, absolutely. See, at this particular point, if you see both BJP as well as all the opposition parties are showing that they are confident to win the Lok Sabha polls. See, if you talk about the opposition parties still have some seats to figure. For example, if you talk about Delhi as well, there are certain rift that's being reported. But overall, Rahul Gandhi says that there is an undercurrent in favor of the India Alliance parties, and that is the reason why the BJP would be getting around 150 seats this time around. But Rahul Gandhi did not answer that how many seats the Congress party or the India Alliance will get from the state of Uttar Pradesh. But he says that the alliance that it has formed with the Samajwadi Party is extremely confident that they would gain a good amount of seats from Uttar Pradesh. Meanwhile, on the other hand, be it Prime Minister Modi or Union Home Minister Amit Shah, see, NDA clearly targets seats of 400, and that has been the motto of the NDA from day one. And Prime Minister also yesterday said that there has been a record-breaking
go, and the results will be out on the 4th of June. But clearly the politicians are anxious. They do not want to wait. All sides claiming victory just after the first phase has concluded. Sabyasachi, thank you for getting us those details. We're moving on now, shifting our focus